I'm at the cabin. I got here. I had remotely set the heat to come on. Didn't come on. When I got here, I could tell that it wasn't kicking on. So I did a quick search on furnace won't start after the summer. And it said change the filter, which I had bought new filters. So I went down and changed the filter. And then I went in to pull off the panels and found code 57. All right, so what you hear right now is fully functional furnace, but it was not functioning when I got here. I had that 57 code down there on the circuit board. Right now it has an H because it's operating fine. And I did some research online, found some tips about how to clean it out. There's a couple tubes coming out of the pressure switch. You can take those tubes off, clear them out. Then it talks about checking the drain, which I checked the drain as well with no problems. And then it talked about the vent. So let me tell you what happened with the vent. I'm gonna get out of this noisy space real quick. Ironically, a week ago, my stepbrother called. He had a pressure switch issue, so I asked him what he did. He said, yeah, I replaced the pressure switch, but that wasn't it. It was something in the vent, which was one of the other tips to check. So I thought, nothing's gotten in my vent. In his, he got a bird nest. In mine, let me show you. So here's my vent, which I've already removed, which got it running, but you can hear it. It sounds kind of funny. It wasn't even coming on before. This thing is not attached. So I took this off, and not sure if we can see down in there far enough. Let's see if we can get a light down in there. Anyway, right at the bend, there we go. Now we can see. That is a wasp nest blocking that tube. So I need to get that out of there. When I pulled the hose off of there, by the time I got back in the house, the furnace was running. So that was the issue. So that was an easy fix. Saved me a service call, and then I installed this, which I'll leave a link in the description.